Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by fitting the edge finder into the collet and tightening to specified torque. This prevents runout and gives repeatable readings. Once done, clean the spindle, tool holder, and workpiece so contamination won't shift the reading, and clamp the workpiece rigidly. Make sure the machine DRO is set to your current coordinate system so readings translate correctly. You will approach the edge with the spindle stopped. That first contact is your baseline for the next steps. You jog the tool slowly with the spindle stopped and touch the edge until the edge finder clicks or aligns. That click tells you the locator tip contacted the workpiece. Once you have one reading, move to the opposite side or a perpendicular face and repeat so you capture two coordinates. Then calculate the center by averaging the two positions or by compensating half the part width. This math converts edge positions into hole or center coordinates. Make sure to approach consistently to avoid error from deflection. You now set your work 0 or offset on the DRO using the recorded edge reading minus the known tip radius, so the coordinate corresponds to the actual material edge. Once set, make a second verification pass at a slower jog speed to confirm the 0 holds. Do not assume the first measurement is perfect. If readings shift, inspect for runout, a loose collet, or debris on the edge finder tip. Those are the most common causes of
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.